Good morning, children. Welcome to Good Samaritan School German online class. And today I'm going to teach lesson 2. That is Lektion 2, Gespräche. Gespräch, it means dialogues. We have Gespräch 1. Means Gespräch 1, it means dialogue 1. So we'll see the conversation between two people as Andreas and Martin. So listen it very carefully because based on this, children, you have to do one activity, right? So that will tell you later. So as of now, just listen it and see what Andreas saying. Andreas, hello Martin, wie geht's? Und was mag Tim da? Andreas is saying, hello Martin, how are you? And what Tim is doing? Martin, tall Mensch und Tim, great man. And Tim, da siehst du doch, that you can see it. Isst eine Banane und liest eine Comic. He eat a banana and read a comics. Now, Andreas is saying, was marked at nachher. So he's saying, what does he do afterwards? Martin später fährt in die Stadt und trifft seine Freunde. So later he goes to the city and meets his friends. So Andrea is saying, und du, was tust du? And you, what you do? Tust, it means to do. Martin, heute habe ich frei. Today I am free. Also toy ich nicht and also I don't have anything to do. Ich schlafe jetzt etwa eine Stunde und verlasse das Haus erst am Abend. I sleep now for an hour and leave the house in the evening. So Andreas is saying, das finde ich wrinkles blau, that I really find stupid. Das Wetter so angenehm, ich nehme mein Fahrrad, komm doch. Sport hält jung. So Andrea is saying that I really find that is stupid. The weather is very nice. I take my cycle. Come dog, means come. You also come. And sport hält jung. Sport makes young. Right? So this is what the conversation between Andreas and Martin. So children, based on this, we have question answer. So question answer I will I will just tell you later. Right children, so question number 1, the richtig order falsch. So richtig order falsch, you have to do it in your notebook. And question number 2 also. 1 and 2 both you have to do. So 1 I am explaining now. For 2 I will write down the answer in your WhatsApp group. So from there you can write down. So 1 is sind die folgenden Sätze richtig oder falsch? Means are the following sentences are right or wrong? Andreas isst eine Banane und liest eine Comic. Andreas eat a banana and read a comic. Means comics. No, Andreas was not doing. Who was doing? Tim. So first we can say this is falsch. See children, I am writing here F, but you don't write F, you have to write the complete word falsch. Falch. Now Andreas besucht Martin. No, this is also false. So this is also false. Now, Tim trifft seine Freunde in der Stadt. Tim meets his friend in the city. Yes. Tim will do because it's given that later he will richtig. So we will write richtig. I have written R like that. So you have to write the complete sentence, right? Martin schläft eine halbe Stunde. It means Martin sleeps for an half hour. No, he will sleep for 1 hour. So that is falsch. The weather is shown. Yes, richtig. Andreas is sportless. Falsch. Because he was not a sportman. He interested in sports. So for answer number 2, I will write in all the answers so that you can complete it. Now, the next what we have children. Now next we have the next one, that is we can say Sprechzoi. Sprechzoi, that is dialogue 2. So we will see dialogue 2. Yes, this dialogue 2. This is also a conversation between Inge and Stephanie. So we'll see here what they are talking. Here Stephanie, Inge. Hallo Stephanie, here is Inge. Means hello Stephanie, here is Inge. Wie geht's? How are you? Stephanie. Mir geht's prima. Means I'm good, I'm fine. Inge. See children, in German we have a lot of words to say that I am fine. Like ich bin gut. Like that you can say ich bin fine. F-E-I-E-N. We have the word in German that also means fine. Mir geht's prima. Ich bin gut, danke. So in a variety of ways we can say that you are fine. So here Stephanie is saying mir geht's prima means I'm good. Enge, bringes was hast du heute Abend vor? Right here we have the word you bringens. You bringens it means by the way. By the way, what are you doing today in the evening? So Stephanie say heute Abend, today evening. Nicht besonders means nothing special. Vielleicht fahre ich Rad oder sehe fun. Vielleicht means maybe. Maybe I ride a cycle or watch a TV. Enge. Na dann komm mal rüber, ich lade alle meine Freunde ein. Ich rufe Peter, Brigitte, Karl auch an. Wir machen eine kleine Party. Meine Eltern sind sowieso nicht zu Haus. So here Inge was saying na dan means well. Na dan is a way of telling yeah well. Komm mal rüber means come over here. Ich lade alle meine Freunde ein. I have invited all my friends. Ich rufe Peter, I call Peter. Brigitte means Brigitte und Karl auch and also Karl. Wir machen eine kleine Party. We are having small party. Meine Eltern sind sowieso nicht zu Haus. My parents Anyway, my parents are not at home. Here we have the word sowieso means anyway. Anyway, my parents are not at home. Now, let's see what Stephanie is saying for that. So, Stephanie is saying, Das ist aber toll. That is great. Wir kommen die anderen. Means will come. Wir kommen die means we all will come there. We have the word we. See children how the verb is conjugated according to the subjects, as you can see in every sentence. Right, in every sentence here we have the sentences we. The main verb is common. Right, the word is common. So here we common die enden. Enden here we have the word enden. Right, so here it is talking about all the people. For it is talking about all the people, it means for the plural case. Right, it's a plural case, so that's why and common will come. So we common die enden. Right, that is great. We all come later. Now Inge is saying Karl nimmt die U-Bahn means come take U-Bahn. U-Bahn is a subway. Right, er steigt in der Marienstraße ein und am Goetheparkplatz steigt aus. So what is given? What is saying that Karl take a subway, right? Steigt. He rise in the Marienstraße. He will enter, or you can say he will gets in Marienstraße und am Goetheparkplatz steigt aus. Means he will enter or he will gets in Marienstraße and he will come out. Means gets off. Gets in and gets off. So here the word we have steigt in there means gets in. Steigt aus means gets off. He gets in Marienstraße and he gets off in Goetheparkplatz. This is the name of the place here. Dann einige Schritte zurück zu Fuß. After that he steps through foot. Und am Platzkino trifft Brigitte und Peter. And in the Platzkino means this is the name of the cinema. Kino is cinema, right? Or you can say any theater. So near the theater, name of the theater is Palast. So near the theater he meets Brigitte and Peter. Sie bringen Karl mit und die drive far and wider, made them taxi. So they bring car with them and drive far and wider, made them taxi. And after then, what they will do afterwards? They will take taxi. Do come, dog made them ride. You come with the cycle. Then house leak dog guns na, means your house is near me, means near my house, so you can come by the cycle. So Inge is saying how other friends are coming, right? How other friends are coming. So this is the direction, like you can say that car he will take subway and he gets in Marienstraße, he gets off in Goetheplatz, then he will walk for few minutes, and after that he will meet he will meet Peter and Brigitte in Place Cinema Hall, and they all will come, and after that what they will take a taxi, and then they will come to my house. And he is saying Inge is saying to Stephanie that you can come by cycle because your home is very near to my home. Stephanie, na klar, ich komme gern also choose. Of course, I like to come. Right? Of course, na klar means of course. Ich komme gern also choose. Okay, I will like to come. Bye. Inge is saying choose. Bis später. Bye. See you later. Now here we have the word was is richtig. Again we have the richtig and false. So richtig and false I am telling you, and question answer again I will write in the I will write down, I will send it to you. Okay. Now first is Inge ruft an, Stephanie ruft an. Who calls, Inge or Stephanie? So we have seen that Inge, the first one is richtig. Inge lad Peter Brigitte und Karl or Inge lad Stephanie Peter Brigitte und Karl. So here we can say Inge lad Stephanie Peter Brigitte und Karl. Karl named die Bahn or Stephanie kommt zu Fuß. So Karl named der U-Bahn. Now the D part. Die Eltern von Inge sind weg. Weg, it means gone. The parents of Inge has gone. Or we can say die Eltern von Inge kommen auch zur Party. Or the parents of Inge, they have also come to the party. So no, the parents of Inge, they have gone. So this is the correct answer. Now, next what we have. Let me see. Yes, fourth one. Stephanie wohnt nicht sehr weit von Inge. And Stephanie kommt spät am Abend. Stephanie lives very near the house of Inge. He is not living very near. Stephanie wohnt nicht sehr weit von Inge, or Stephanie kommt spät am Abend. So second meaning is Stephanie comes later in the evening, or Stephanie not lives very far away from the Inge. So you can say the first one is the correct because he is not living very far away from his home. Right? So question number 2, Bent Wörtern Sie die folgenden Fragen, children. This I have to write down. I will write down because you will do some mistakes. Everyone will not able to write down the correct answer. So I will write down and send it to you. Right? Now after this is the chapter number 2. Right? So you have to do it in your notebook, all the question answer of both the dialogues, and after that you have to read the chapter. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Or children, last time I have given you homework of page number 15 and 16. I hope you have done it. If you have not done it, so if you have done it, very nice. So I'm going to send answer of that questions also, so you can check it through that. Thank you.